Assalamu alaikum everybody. Welcome to Deep Exploration Code. In this video we will show you how to display some information of an object in a scene. When we open Blender, we have a cube that is on the scene. However, if we want to know the number of vertices, edges and faces of this cube, we notice that nothing is displayed. To solve this problem, we just have to click on Overlays, and then we check the Display Scene Statistic Overlays text. We notice that some data appear here. We notice that it is written for the object 1/3. The 1 is for the object that is selected. Here is our cube, and the 3 corresponds to the 3 objects that exist on the scene. If we remove the camera and the light, we have the objects will be equal to 1 of 1. And if we calculate the vertices, edges and faces that exist in the cube, we notice that they correspond to the values displayed. Now we will delete the cube. Then we will click on Shift+A and then on Mesh and finally on UV Sphere. If we change now the number of segments to 64, for example, we notice that automatically the new values of vertices, edges and faces appear. The same remark is made when we change the value of the rings, which we give him, for example, the value 32. Vertices, edges and faces are seen when we are in edit mode, as we show here. This is how we can show how to display some information about an object in a scene. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you next time.